Making the time and effort to perform S&M correctly can provide a number of advantages. Marketing using social media can: 1. Boost brand recognition. Unsure of whether social media marketing is a strategy you want to invest time in? Consider the tens of thousands or even millions of people who regularly use social media. You don't want to lose the opportunity to connect with them and establish a presence for your company's brand and services. 2. Humanize a company. As you establish a social media presence, your postings and interactions with users will demonstrate to them that your persona and brand are approachable and reliable. Your brand will become more well known to and establish a connection with your audience over time. 3. Drive in visitors. Your website's URL is in the bio of your profile. You provide your fans with blog post links. You present enticing ads. The traffic to your business website will improve as a result of all these social media activities, making it simpler to convert website visitors into consumers. 4. Create a community. S&M should focus on more than just marketing and selling your goods and services. In order to interact with, engage, and create a community within their sector or niche, successful brands use social media platforms. 5. Improve consumer relationships. Social media opens up both indirect and direct lines of communication with followers, allowing for networking, feedback gathering, conversation, and personal connections. 6. Increase your lead generation and conversion rates by properly utilizing social media, particularly Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. When you combine regular posting and engaging with followers with other tactics, like video content marketing and email opt-ins, you'll probably establish a better database of prospects who become customers. 7. Create connections for a reasonable price. S&M is perfect for brands and small enterprises on a tight budget. Creating a profile, expanding your social media presence, and interacting with your followers are typically all free. 8. Keep an eye on the competition. Social media marketing offers a competitive examination of competing brands and how they engage with their followers and subscribers. This may be done by learning from their strategies, the items they discuss in their posts, or their campaigns. Additionally, you can observe what works and doesn't for rival businesses to determine what you can change to make your brand more distinctive.